Hello guys, welcome to Ikra Technology. So today we will see method overriding. Firstly, let us know what is method overriding. Method overriding is a concept which comes under polymorphism. Two concepts comes in polymorphism, method overriding and method overloading. Okay, and polymorphism is a main pillar of OOPS concept. One of the four main pillars is polymorphism. Okay, so next is what is method overriding means. So we override the method, okay? In case we create a method and we feel that it will change in the future, then we define the method as a virtual method to perform method overriding. In which case you need to use virtual keyword with the base class. Our base class means class in that we define the method as a virtual method so that in case in future whatever implementation will happen inside the method, we can change it. The name of the method will remain the same, okay? But we change the implementation. Did you understand? By overriding it. And we can override only those methods which are virtual. And we use override with abstract as well. Did you understand? Then why use method overriding? For flexibility and specialization. Derived class can adapt inherited methods to the specific needs, promoting code reusability and polymorphism happens. The ability of object to respond differently to the same message. Extending functionalities. Functionality is shared. You can add new behavior to inherited methods while reserving the core functionality on the base class. Okay. Then here elegant design is there means a design is also proper. Did you understand? If we use all this oops concept, method overriding, method overloading, all this, so our code design is also proper so that it is easy for us to understand. If another person comes, it will also be easy for him to understand that. Then we have our chart, which is of override. Animal is our class. What is it? Parent class. The class we have taken, it has method called public virtual sound. Now, in case we need to use that sound in the future, here we took virtual method. So to that we have created a new class dog and have inherited it. Did you understand? We have inherited it. Then what have we taken here? Public override sound. Then here is a child class which is our dog. Then override method is used. Using override keyword is important as well as virtual, okay? In case we need to change any method in future, we define virtual like this so that we can override it further. Its implementation will be the same, but we can implement it another. Then here is our example properly so that we have taken this example in our Visual Studio Code. Now look here. Here is our class. What is it? Animal. Animal is a class in which we have written public virtual sound. Okay. The animal makes a generic sound. Did you understand? Means the sound of that is of animal. Now animal makes a generic sound. What is here? Now the animal makes a generic sound. This is our virtual method. Means we can change it in the future, right? Next comes our class dog. Dog comes here. We have taken animal here. We took animal above our parent class in inherited class. Here is our single inheritance. Okay. So here I have used public override void sound. Use override keyword. Why? Because we have to make its implementation different in the method. In animals, what is it here? Here the dog barks woof woof. Okay. So its implementation is different. The name is the same sound. The method name is the same, but we are overriding it. We are changing its implementation. Did you understand? Then here we have a main method for execution. Here we have created its object. Why? Because it is not static. For static, we not create an object. But for non-static, an object is to be created. So this method is non-static. Look here, we have created an object. Then we took my dog dot sound. We will call it look. If I start here, here I started. Here I did window arrow, then minimized it, then window arrow, then it comes, okay. Then I do F10 here. Look, I did F10. Then we first came on dog object. I did F10. here, then I do F11 so that we can go inside the method. Where did this go? It went to the dog class. Okay. So which method did we call? Which we have overridden because we want that only. We don't want the previous method of our animal. So we should call the new method we want. Here we do F10 to this. Then see it got printed. The dog says woof woof. Okay. Did you understand? Sounds. Which sound does a dog makes? Means the way dog barks. Okay. Here it is animal. So there was no sound here. Okay. Understood? Let me tell you again that override is a concept of polymorphism. There are two concepts in it: method overriding and method overloading. Did you understand? So there are two concepts. So today we saw overriding. In overriding, we define a method in the base class as virtual, then we override it so that we can change its implementation. Okay. So look here. Here is a proper explanation of each line, and here is a task which you have to practice so that you can understand better. Understood? So today we have seen method overriding in C sharp. Thank you.